Let's talk about the density in summary. This is the summary because I've taught this density. Density is the ratio, that is density. Density is equal now to mass over volume. That is M is mass over volume. So whenever now we are calculating density, we should use this formula. It is mass per volume. Therefore, it is the ratio of the mass per volume. Remember, this mass is measured in terms of gram, and this volume is measured in terms of centimeter cubic. Or it is measured in terms of kilogram, and this volume is measured in terms of meter cubic. And therefore, the SI unit of density that is kilogram per meter cubic or gram per centimeter cubic. This is how we can talk about. Now, density can be calculated by using this. Density is equal to mass over volume. This mass may be given in terms of gram or may be given in terms of kilogram. Or that is why now we say the SI unit of density is kilogram per meter cubic or gram per centimeter cubic. Kwa maana hiyo unapokuwa unatafutia density, lazima ujue kwamba lazima uwe na uzito, lazima uwe na volume. Kama mass haipo, lazima ufanye kitu chochote kuhakikisha mass ipo. Kama volume haipo, inabidi uitafute volume. Then hii hapa ndo kanuni. Lakini sometimes you may be asked to find out the mass of the substance. Once you've been given density and volume, now you cross multiplication, that is density is equal now to mass over volume over 1, you cross multiplication. Therefore, mass will be given as density times volume. Kwa manake, kupata mass sasa, unachukua density una multiply na volume, ambao density either is gram per centimeter cubic times volume, which is centimeter cubic. This end up cancelling, therefore you get it is mass, it is in gram. Lakini what if now you are looking for volume? Now from density is equal over 1 is equal now to mass over volume. Therefore you cross multiplication. Therefore density times volume is equal now to mass. We divide by density, we divide by density. Now volume, this cancel out, will be equal now to mass over density. This is how we determine volume. That is, mass is gram divided by density, which is gram per centimeter cubic. That is gram over 1 times centimeter cubic over what we call it gram. Now gram cancel out. It is therefore now volume, that is V, will be equal now to given in centimeter cubic once you have calculated. So in general we say density is equal now to mass over volume, but volume is equal now to mass over density, and then also what we call it mass is equal now to density times volume. This is what we can say. But density is gram per centimeter cubic or kilogram per meter cubic, and here volume is given in centimeter cubic or meter cubic, and then here mass is given in terms of gram or what we call it kilogram. So this is all about how we can calculate density of the regular substance. If now you are talking about the density of the regular substance, density of a regular object. Density of a regular object, from density is equal now to mass over volume. Density of a regular object is only determines if there is a mass of the substance and the volume of the substance. So regular object, it is the object that have got specific specifications or dimensions. Kwa maana regular object we have cube, that is it is volume, it is determined by using L cubic, that is side times side times side times side. That is all about side times side times side. That is all about volume of a cube. But also we are having cylinder. Volume of the cylinder is equal now to pi d squared over 4 times h. That is cylinder. But also we are having rectangular. Rectangular, volume of rectangular is length times breadth times height. That's how you can determine the volume of the rectangular. But also, a sphere also, it is 4 pi cubic pi r power 3 raised to power 3 over 3. This is how now we can determine the volume of the sphere. That is 4 pi r raised to power 3 over 3. That is volume of the sphere. So this is how now we can use these are a formula that can be used to determine the volume, the mass, and the density of the regular object. Depends on what you've been given. What if now you are just talking about the volume? I mean the density of irregular object.